In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics to Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered how to better track your Typeform responses and user interactions? Linking Google Analytics to Typeform is a fantastic way to gain insights into your audience's behavior and improve your data collection process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps, ensuring that you can set this up quickly and easily. First, let's navigate to Typeform. You'll want to start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, head over to your workspaces. You can do this by looking for the Workspaces menu option on the Typeform dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. By selecting your desired workspace, you're preparing to create a new form that will integrate seamlessly with Google Analytics. Next, look for the option that says New Form. This is your opportunity to create a fresh Typeform survey or quiz to gather data. Once you click on New Form, you'll be prompted to choose from various templates or start from scratch. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and let's keep moving forward. Now that your new form setup is underway, you'll want to connect it with Google Analytics. To do that, look for the Connect button within your Form Builder dashboard. It's usually situated at the top of your screen, making it pretty accessible. Clicking on Connect will open up integration options, and this is where the magic begins. In this next step, it's time to search for Google Analytics. In the integration section, you'll find a search bar. Simply type in Google Analytics. As you search, you should see the Google Analytics integration pop up among the options. Once it does, click on it, which leads you closer to connecting your accounts and gaining valuable insights. After selecting Google Analytics, tap on the Connect button again. This will prompt a series of steps where you will link your Google Analytics account to your Typeform. Google may ask for certain permissions, such as allowing Typeform to access your analytics data. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to help you track responses efficiently. Make sure to follow the prompts and affirm your choices. The next step is crucial. You need to add your Google Analytics account. After clicking Connect, the integration might require you to sign in to your Google Analytics account if you aren't already logged in. Once logged in, you may need to select the specific Google Analytics property you want your Typeform data to link with. Keep in mind that you might have multiple properties if you manage several sites or projects. Make sure to choose the right one. Once you've selected your account, you might see a confirmation screen. Double-check to ensure that you have everything set correctly. You want to make sure that all the tracking features are activated so that you can gain full insight into how users interact with your Typeform. After confirming everything, click the Continue button to finalize the connection. And there you have it. You successfully linked Google Analytics to Typeform. Now you're ready to analyze the data collected from your forms, allowing you to understand engagement better and optimize your surveys. Remember that this integration can provide you with valuable metrics, such as how many people started your form, completed it, or dropped out midway. This information can help you refine your questions or take steps to enhance user experience. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful for you. By linking these two powerful platforms, you're on your way to making informed decisions based on real user data. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.